So, Userback. This is a very interesting application because it allows you to take feedback on various websites um, and capture that in real time with screenshots and any notes that you may want to add to it. And it also allows that information then, when you capture it, to go into a control panel. And in that control panel, you can assign it to agents, other team members, and it effectively creates a ticket system or a web design feedback hub where you can then go and review things. So let's go ahead and do a quick install of this nice little application. The way you're going to do it, let me just pause my screen here a second. Okay, I am logged into my Userback account, and when you're in the account on the toolbar, go to the Extensions tab right here, and under the extensions you'll see either Chrome or Firefox. So we'll go ahead and go to the in Chrome store, and since it's a Chromium based, you can install it on various different browsers such as Chrome or Opera. I'm actually doing an Edge developer build that I'm going to try it on. So I will install this. It says add to Chrome, but I'm just going to add the extension, and it's to Microsoft Edge. And I'll add that extension in there. And you'll see then that it puts a new button up here in the toolbar. So when you click that toolbar, it's going to ask you to do one thing, and that is get the account key. So I'm going to go over and grab my key, and where you'll find that key is in your account, and it's going to be right here. Now I will have this blurred out because this is my key for mine, but I will then copy this, just take this, copy it, and go over to the extension and paste it in the box here. And then we'll go ahead and save that. Once the option is saved, you can then just simply close that. So now that you have the user feedback enabled, you can go to any of your sites. Now, Userback is divided into what they call projects. So I'm going to show you a few of the projects that I have. If I go over to my Userback account, you'll see I have a project for EntreTools, this project, a Creative Mystic project, and I can add different projects in here. And think of a project as a container of things. One is it's going to contain any URLs or domains that you want to grab feedback as and organize that feedback into that bucket. You can have multiple domains, but often what happens is you'll assign one domain, like one website, to a project. And then within a project, you can assign different team members. So these different team members then can see what's in that project and see the feedback for that project, but not see feedback on other projects. When you then have that extension enabled, and I go to one of my actual projects that I have here, and I'll just refresh this page, you will see then that by clicking the icon here, it will bring up the Userback toolbar where I can capture or highlight or do whatever on this site. So for instance, if I wanted to grab some feedback and maybe I'm a visitor on the site and I have that, and can we change the text on this dialog? And then we save that. That then is going to go back into my console